Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Last year I made a video regarding AMD drivers and frankly how not good they were and how to install them on your system, which to install on your system, which worked best and which provided errors, black screens, blue screens, instant restarts, etc. Now, I haven't made another video for the past 12 months because frankly AMD has gotten a lot better with their drivers. Most of the problems were fixed and I thought that people didn't have any more issues. Recently I went back to my old video and read some of the comments, and in my surprise I saw that a lot of people are still having issues. So I decided to make a new video regarding the latest drivers this time, from latest 2020 and even the final one that was released a couple of weeks ago, which is I think a very stable driver with one minor tweak. So let's see what you will need. First of all, you need to install your older driver. So let's go again and show you how to get DDU. Again, you can go to the Guru 3D site, scroll down and download it from your area. You should start. It's a really small file, 1.2 megabytes. We can download this and also find the latest AMD drivers. Select your graphics card. It's the same driver for 500 series graphics, 570 and 580, for 5000 series graphics, 57, 56 and 5700 XT graphics cards, and the same one for the latest GPUs, the 6000 series. Go to your Windows version, and this time we can download the latest one, and I'll show you later what the tweak is. Let's give it a second and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Everything's downloaded. Let's go ahead. I have already gone and unzipped the file downloaded from Guru 3D and my driver is here. Now I've decided to go with the latest driver because I needed some of the features. AMD has implemented Smart Access Memory, Gen 4 PCI Express support, and some other stuff that I needed. At first, I have installed it as is, with 2020 Adrenalin software, and for a few days everything was okay. Afterwards, I also experienced some random freezes. But I really needed the latest driver, so I decided to give him a second chance. And I will show you now how to install it without the software, just the driver. Okay, first of all, let's go and uninstall any older driver that we may have on our system. Go to your set drive or wherever your Windows installation is, and you will find an AMD folder. Inside there, you will find your graphics driver from your previous install. Go there and go inside your first folder, bin64. There you will find the Amd Cleanup Utility. Run this. Sorry about my operating system, that's on Greek. What it will say here is that your system needs to be rebooted in safe mode in order for you to run this program and safely remove any AMD drivers, because in safe mode they will not be running. So you will press yes here, and your system will be restarted. You will enter safe mode with basic graphics and continue the uninstallation process from there. I'm going to press no because I have already done that, but I will guide you through the rest of the process. Now, when your computer is restarted, you will be greeted with this picture, which says, do you want to proceed with your AMD graphics and installations? And you will press OK. It will run, will do its thing, and uninstall any previous AMD drivers. When it finishes, it will prompt you to restart again and boot Windows in normal mode. Press no there, so you can run DDU and be sure that everything was completely wiped. Okay, I'm going to press cancel. You will press OK. Now, you finished uninstalling AMD drivers with their utility, and you want to run Guru 3D. So you press no to the restart and you open Guru 3D. You open DDU, it needs to extract itself, and you open Display Driver Uninstaller. Now, here, don't change any of the options. Select GPU, select Intel, press clean and do not restart. Then select NVIDIA, clean and do not restart. And finally, select AMD, clean and restart your system. Now, from here, you've booted in your Windows, you have no drivers, and you want to install the drivers. You go to this file, double click it. The first thing that it will do is unzip itself. You hit install button, and after this screen, immediately you press stop. So the installation pauses without installing any software, but you will have that extracted folder. There are all the DLL files that you will need for the driver to work. We hit cancel. And yes. Then you go back to your set drive and check that you have an AMD folder with the recently unpacked driver. Okay? Now, how you will install this driver without the software? You right click your start button and you search for device manager. You open that up and go to display adapters. Now mine is installed, but yours will say typical Microsoft display adapter or something like that, generic, maybe generic graphics adapter. So you right click on that, update driver, browse my computer, and we give him the folder that the latest driver was just unpacked. Include subfolders and press next. So now your graphics card is correctly installed. You need to do the same thing for the HDMI audio output of your graphics card, so that you will find in sound, video and game controllers. It's your high definition audio device, but it will not say AMD. So you will right click it, update driver, browse my computer, go to the same folder, include subfolders, next, and then it will be updated with AMD high definition audio device. You are done, and you can reboot your computer. You should reboot your computer for everything to work correctly. Now, why would you want to do that? And what would you lose? First of all, AMD FreeSync works by default and is on even if you don't install Adrenalin software. And in my opinion, it's the only thing that you need from any of the options that would be in Adrenalin 2020 software. Now, if you still need to control your fan speed curves, maybe, you could do that with your graphics card manufacturer's software. If you have an MSI graphics card, with MSI Afterburner. If you have Gigabyte graphics card like me, with your Aorus engine. It still works perfectly fine, even for overclocking the card or setting a manual curve. As you can see, I have one set right here, a manual curve and active fan. So, this was my final, I hope, tip for installing graphics card drivers, and should work for any future driver. Always keep a driver that works for you. Do not update it if you don't have a newer game that needs support. Install it this way and you will never have issues again. Thank you very much and have a good night.